Amazina yanje ni Mukandori Sharon, umwigisha kuva ku shuri rya bita Brixton Watuba, kaba nigisha Kiswahili kuva ku senior 1 kugeza ku senior ya 6. Na mfite abana 10 mu senior ya 4, 5 bashitse neza babonye A, abandi 5 babona B. Ababyeyi bose, ababyeyi turabiginze mutuzarira abana banyu biga Uruswahili, kubera Uruswahili misi zingizi nirwo ruriho. Tuwaza musi zo hanze nka Tanzania, Rwanda, Kongo utazi Uruswahili, so turabiginze mutuzanira abana tubigishe neza. Kuntu muri kureba ishuri ryacu twigisha neza, dufite abigisha beza, laboratories ziriho, buri kimwe cyose turagifite. Turabiginze mutuzanira abana tubasomese kandi muzashima. Imana ibahe umugisha. Kwa wanafunzi wetu kupita mitihani vizuri, nilikuwa na wanafunzi 10 kwa kidato cha 4. 5 walipata A na wengine walipata B. Wazazi tunaomba mtupatie wanafunzi au watoto kuja kusomea kwa shule yetu, wajue kuongea lugha ya Kiswahili.
Nga na scoring 4 A's and 5 B's, meaning that I was exceptional, and I'm going to join back Brixton Senior Secondary School 2025 as a senior 5 student.
And I managed to get 5 A's, 3 B's and 1 C. Our teachers have done a very good job.
We thank our HM. We have passed our exams very well with high grades.
As usual, we've been performing well, and for this time round for the new curriculum, we are excited because our learners have excelled well. All of them, at least, they're having exceptionals, outstanding and satisfactory. So we thank the Almighty Allah who has enabled us to reach this far. We thank our director, Hajaluna Sentamu, for the moral support, for the financial support. We thank all our teachers. Then we also call upon other parents outside there to give us more learners, because we are very good. When you look at the also project work, we have also done well.
Yana scoring 4 A's ne 5 B's. Eranga I was exceptional. Eranga ngenda kujoininga Brixton Senior Secondary School ng'omwana wa senior 5. Era ndi musanyufu nnyo ku staff members okusomesa obulungi.
Ebyasobeseza okutuuka ku bwanguzi buneeno, abasomesa baffe bataddemu nnyo amaanyi. Basomeseza prep, batusuukusiza ne winter tuzikubye. Nze we twogera nafunye 5, B3 ne CM.
Nebaza abasomesa abatusobeseza okuyita ne tukola bulungi omwaka guno. Nafunye A3, B4 ne CM.
Mpozi tuli basanyufu nnyo era nga bulijjo abaana baffe bakola bulungi, naye ku mulundi guno mu new curriculum era tweyongedde okusanyuka kubanga abaana baffe bakoze bulungi ddala. Wotunira ku grade zaabwe abasinga balina A, B ne C. Twebaza director wa mulungi Haji Haruna Sentamu, then ne twebaza abasomesa baffe abalungi